Hello Madeline, how you been? I've been waiting around to die again. Well, I saw all your friends and you weren't there. And there's a picture of us holding up a pitcher of our favorite beer. I'm trying to slow down this year, they can't hold it like I used to.
Felt as lonely as I do tonight in this nice hotel, 1,200 miles from that ship motel. You kissed me softly in